What's up, everybody? It's Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250. I believe it's a 250R. This one does have some things removed. It's kind of got the Street Fighter look going on. We just got this bike in, and let's just take a quick walk around this thing. As you can see, the rear tire, there's plenty of life left on there. Definitely going to pass inspection. It is chain drive, as you can see there. Rear fender appears to be just kind of the way it came. Turn signals, tail lights, all that. Around the side here, you can see in the wheel a little bit is the black wheel. There's your rear rotor. Got the factory exhaust. Got the rear pegs. Got your rider pegs. Rear brake. You can see the seat. All that. Everything is there. Just a bit of white stuff there in the seat. On the tank looks to be in decent shape. As far as like scratches and scrapes, none of that really. There's like a mark right there, similar mark right there, another one of that same color right there. So up here in the front is where things get a little bit on the different side. They removed the front fairing, so all this stuff is exposed, and they put bar and mirrors on it. You can see this scraped up here. There is a little bit of that on the exhaust too. And you can see they took the gauge cluster out. It's got this one gauge up here. The mileage is exempt because obviously it doesn't have the original speedo and odometer. There's the headlight and turn signals, front fairing, front tire, decent amount of life left in the front tire. Yeah, so that's that. Don't miss out on the test drive. If Sean does, the video should be up on YouTube. Here you can see this side of the wheel, all that. Check out the fork tubes. They're looking good. Yeah. So come over to the other side. Here again is the bar and mirror, just like the other side. Tank's looking to be in decent shape. No scratches. Don't see any major dents or dings or anything like that. Got your rider peg, shifter, kickstand, passenger peg. Here in the rear fender you got this little dude on a motorcycle. In case you always wanted one of those, this is the bike for you. Go over the rear seat here, over the top. Got the tank pad cover. All looking to be good. There's the gauge I was talking about. Lights up like that. And let me just start it real quick for you. Starts right up. It sounds just like a factory 250. And after that, just gonna shut it down real quick so you can hear me talk, because the bike is so loud. There's your front turn signal and rear turn signal. Front turn signal and rear turn signal. So that's that, guys. There you have it. It is a 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 250R. This bike will be up on the website. It should be priced to move, and this bike will not last long. And thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll catch you later.